Hey, do you want to learn how to debloat WordPress? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. This is going to help you to make your WordPress run faster. So in order to do it, we're going to first add a plugin. So on the left-hand side, we're on plugins and then press on add plugin. It's going to take you over here and in search plugins, type in unbloater and then press enter on your keyboard and it's going to search for it. This is the plugin that we need. You need to press on install now. After that, it's going to show activate. Just press on it to activate the plugin. And then on the left hand side under settings, press on unbloater. Here on the right hand side, make sure that the core is all checked like this. Front end all checked. Here in jQuery migrate, just make sure to not check remove jQuery migrate script. I found in my testing that this creates issues with the themes and plugins, so I would advise you to not check it. Scroll down. You must check all the other stuff as well. Then press on save changes. That's it. That's how to unbloat your WordPress and make it run faster. I hope this video helps solve your problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more WordPress related guides and fixes. See you there and bye for now.